one of the coefficients is positive and one is negative, i.e. you've got plus 5y and minus 3y, or plus 6x and minus 4x, then you can use the additive method. But when they're the same sign, the x's are both positive, the y coefficient is both negative, you're going to have to use the difference method. So you're going to match up the number of x's or the number of y's, and then see how the difference is made by the other variable. So okay, that's a lot of words. Let's see what that actually means. I'm going to make the number of x's the same. So if order number 1 is 6x minus 5y equals 13, and equation number 2 tells us that 4x minus 3y equals 18, well, I can do 4 lots of 1, and that'll give me 24x minus 20y equals 52. And I can do 6 lots of 2. Actually, I could have done 2 and 3, but never mind. And we get 24x minus 18y equals 48. Now, we have to be very, very careful about the differences here. Which one has a greater number of y's? It's the second equation. If I call those equations 3 and 4. Equation 4 has a greater number of y's, because the first one has negative 20y's, and equation 4 has negative 18y's. So that means the equation 4 has 2 more y's in it, but you can see that it's worth 4 less. So if we do a difference, we can see that the extra 2 y's has accounted for a decrease of 4, which means that 1 y is equal to minus 2. Knowing what y is, we then have to go back and work out what x is. So we go back to one of these original equations. And we have that 6x minus 5y equals 13. And if y is negative 2, then when we subtract 5 lots of that, that becomes 6x plus 10 equals 13. So 6x is a 3, which means that x is a half. Don't forget, you need to work out x and y. It's kind of helped by the fact that x and y are